Welcome back to the KB Money Show channel. If you guys haven't found out yet, car loans is going crazy. People getting cars repoed, people paying crazy car payments, and we have to talk about it. We absolutely have to talk about it. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe button. Let's not waste no time. Let's get into it because this is ridiculous.
VIP.
That's just music playing. But okay,
Okay.
so price
Okay. All right.
9,000, down payment 800. I think this is just an ad for this one, but what do we think? What do we think?
Let me see.
No, they're
Price
just giving us the
9,000, down payment 800, $800 for a down payment. That's interesting.
no, they're not getting into they don't say, what do you think about it?
I mean, as long as it's run,
Hold on button. Mm-hmm.
Honda Civic 2018 and the price is 9,000, right?
And it's pink.
Is it pink? Fuchsia?
What's going on? Now let's see what the comments talking about.
I mean, it's 9,000. Hey, $9,000. Wait. Don't pull it up yet.
because I ain't no car
Because we're gonna
person.
get
I don't
distracted.
know.
We're gonna get distracted.
I'm
So
gonna give
nine
you honest opinion. I'm gonna go back to the first picture. You tell me when to go. But okay, 9,000. That's the
nine
price.
thousand eight hundred payment. I don't see the months on there, but I'm
We'll
not
work
mad at
something
that.
out. That's what they're trying to say, I guess.
I ain't mad at it. Clearly, I'm guessing it'd be a female that would drive it. I mean, if she like pink, she like it. I love it. I ain't tripping. Uh, yeah, $800 down. It don't say nothing about the payments or the terms, but 9,000 is a reasonable price.
Right. That's what I'm looking for. I don't see nothing about the payments.
And he really
Shoot.
giving us a lot to work with, but sound like they got, at least they didn't go crazy with the price. So even you can eventually pay that off sooner rather than later. It's 26. What is it? What is it? 7, 8 years old.
Yeah, about 7. Mm.
76,000 miles. I mean, that's not bad if it's in good running condition. Rock out with it.
That's a big if though. And so I think if we go to the comments, with the
Anytime you
the
buying a used
person
car,
didn't
I mean, that's what come with the territory.
somebody said something ain't right, but I still want it, not gonna lie. That's funny.
Oh man, so right. So we just went off based on what we seen. So somebody said some ain't right. Hold on. What? Like some
That's
like the
funny.
sum total?
Yeah, like
Okay.
something ain't right.
Some ain't right.
That's some Gen Z.
Okay, but I still want it. Okay, all right, I hear you. Nothing wrong with that. Must be missing the engine. That is
That's funny.
Hey, that's hilarious. The mileage is definitely 300K.
Mm.
Are they saying it's a rebuilt mission? Is that what they saying? That they didn't turn it over? Okay. There is no way this car. I mean, that's what I was thinking. I mean, I got $24 in a gift card to Wingstop to take it or leave it. Nah, bro, you keep that. Go to
You have to
Wingstop.
leave that a cute car, but I'm too traumatized from salvage cars.
That's
Interesting.
exactly what I was thinking. That's why I said turned over transmission. Like something is going on. Like, yeah. See, that's the other thing too. So the learning lesson for this one, sometimes when it's too good to be true, it probably is when it comes to these vehicles.
Hmm.
If you know doggone where you've been looking out for this car, and then all of a sudden it's like half the price, it's probably been wrecked and they fixed it. The motor them blew up in it and they put a new used motor in there, transmission toe up, and then they put a used transmission in there or a rebuilt whatever. Something is usually off
It's stolen.
or
I don't
stolen.
know. Be
So
happy
I
to get
love
rid
I
of.
love the comments. The comments always is always funny. We can move on to the next one, but yeah, that's really what my head is with that one.
Hmm.
Yeah, so the comments they spot on.
They funny.
Yeah.
Somebody's watching
Okay, down payment 1,000, full payment 13.5.
me.
So it's
It's
like
my anxiety. Somebody's watching.
what we thinking for they don't even tell you the mileage or nothing. And this one, what's funny about this one? They turned off the comments.
Of course they did. And you know what
So
we gonna do? You know what we gonna do? We gonna turn them off because that's so disingenuous. 1,000 for a down payment. The full payment is 13,500. Let me see if I can find that vehicle real quick. And then I'm gonna just turn my phone around so you can see how much that vehicle really is. So and I look at Mercedes all the time, even though I like BMW a little bit better, but see if I can find it real quick. Mercedes car. Dang, I'm trying. I think it's
you'll be seeing almost scam like posts like this on Messenger. I remember when I was car shopping, you just see
okay,
people
so
putting stuff.
all right, so this is not it's not the same vehicle, absolutely not. The one that I'm going to show you is going to be a lesser model than the one that's on the screen, I believe.
Hmm.
And so that's how you could tell. Let's see if I can zoom it in. So like this one right here,
Right.
this one is a 2024.
Mm,
That one is a 2024 Mercedes C-Class.
right.
It has 23,000 miles on it and it's 36,000.
Mm,
And I'm almost still questioning that one, but it's on Carvana. It's a C300. So yeah, those are usually pretty on the cheaper side. So but what the one that we're looking at in the screen
hmm.
is a upper class than the one I just showed you. So my point is something is off with the car.
Right. I
Like
see.
the math, what they say ain't mathing. Math ain't
Right.
mathing.
Not at all. I see almost 1,200 people this little era that they sent it to somebody, so they weren't allowed to comment. They had to show somebody like, look at this foolishness. This ain't even
Anytime somebody turn off the comments, what you hiding? What
right.
what you hiding for? What you hiding for?